4. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today, this is I told you about our December war, and we're going to be having one today. Teams of, right now there's about 9 people here. There's more coming. We're going to start a war now, okay? Thank you.
I'm going to get over to that tree, okay?
That tree right there?
Yeah, that thick one.
Holy crap, that was close. Tyler, get over here.
Yeah! Right, you blocked it! Put the shit on through the tree.
I got Lucas. One more to go. Guys, failure to match.
You got 3 hearts?
Oh!